Now we're going to get the piece all prepped to reinstall a thermostat. First thing he does is take a Scotch-Brite on a roll-lock pad and clean off the old gasket surface, get all the rust and old sealant and garbage off of there. Things can't seal if they're dirty. Most leaks are caused by dirt. Now Mark's going to chase the threads. He'll get the right tap here to clean out the threads with all this old corrosion and heating and stuff. You'll want to clean the threads. You can just harpoon a new bolt in there if you want, but you'll have trouble later on because of it, and you could even break that bolt off getting it in. So he sprays a little bit of penetrating oil on there, and then very carefully lines up with the existing threads, and you just drive the tap through, and you'll clean all the old rust and corrosion out of there. It makes for a very clean job. It's very pleasant to work like this.